Greetings YouTube, this is Quentin and I'm back with a review of the wireless charger duo from Samsung. I just had this delivered, came kind of fast. I basically ordered this separately, but on like a day later after I ordered the Note 9, and it was on back order, and all of a sudden it just was shipping. So I don't know. A lot of other stuff is on back order too. I think one of my cases, a few other accessories that I ordered are on back order. I think one case and a few other things. I didn't order that much. I ordered the watch, the Note, of course. Both of those are just pre-order, and then I believe a case that I ordered is on back order, and this was on back order, but it isn't anymore. So this is the wireless charger duo that you saw on the Unpacked event. If you watch that, it's a basically, I guess you can charge two phones or a phone and a watch. That's primarily what I got it for, to have be able to charge a phone and a watch at the same time. Because I have a similar device for my iPhone, but it's not wireless. You basically dock the iPhone in the lightning charger, the little lightning connection, and then you can wirelessly charge your Apple Watch, which is the only way you can really charge your Apple Watch anyway. But just gonna unbox it real fast. And I guess I should go over, it's not really a lot to go over. It's just you can charge two devices at once. I'm assuming it's fast charging. Yeah, it is. It's fast charging. So, and that actually works really well. Nice packaging. But like I said, this came rather fast. So the packaging is really nice. It's a little more slimmer than I thought. But take it out of here and kind of sit it to the side. It's just some of these accessories, the box stuff to the side, I should say. And see what's in this box. And this basically has the quick start guide, probably the charger. Yeah, the fast quick charge, and this is actually a pretty big charger, adaptive fast charging. So I guess it's got to be pretty good size to handle two devices, especially two full-fledged phones. It has a here's the charging USB cord, and I think it's USB-C too. Yes. It looks like a pretty lengthy cord too. And I think that's it. But what I'm gonna do is plug it in and just give a little test of it charging a watch and a phone. Okay, I'm back, so I'm going to basically do a test of it charging. I have to take off a little more of the plastic. It has a plastic around the charging part of where the watch or the additional phone would be, and then around the whole device. So before I plug it in, I'm just noticing some things when I was unpackaging, peeling all the plastic off of the device. It has this little area back here. I thought it was a speaker, but it's actually like right here. So it's like a ventilation to keep the phone cool. On the box it says that you can it has a built-in fan and ventilation to keep phone cool while fast charging. So that's pretty neat. I like that. But I peeled all the plastic off. It was kind of hard to do it behind the camera, so I had to take a quick break in between. But I have the USB-C charging cord here, and I'm gonna plug it in. So I can see it kind of gave me two little ambient lights right there. First, I'm gonna try my Gear S3 Frontier, and that's cool. I guess it shows the direction which device you're charging. So I'm charging the watch over here, and it's lighting over here and showing the red symbol for charging. So now I'm gonna put my G7 on too. So there it is, charging my G7. So this is actually pretty neat. Yeah, I'm gonna like this. I'm gonna really like this. So I like the fact that you can charge your watch, and it says you can charge all Qi compatible devices. So I'm thinking some of the other smartwatches will charge on it too, but I'm not sure. But I'll see. But you can see it has the charging light for this side and for that side, which correspond whatever which side you have the devices charging on. Anyway, I hope this video was informational and helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.